Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on your Samsung Galaxy S7 without the power button or when the power button is broken. So we're going to need to do that. We're going to need to press on the volume down key and the home button. And you also need to plug in your USB cable into a computer, on a Windows computer or a Mac computer. Now another point you need to note is that depending on the motherboard of your device, this method may or may not work because some motherboard can be turned on without the power button, and some motherboard will require you to use the power button. So if your motherboard works, this is what you can do. So we're just going to have the cable ready. So you can press onto your volume down key, press and hold for a few seconds, maybe 3 seconds. And then you plug in this cable. And then you press on the home button straight away. And you hold it for a few seconds. And shortly, you should be boot into download mode. Now, if you can successfully go into download mode, you can press on the volume down key on the side here to restart your phone. And that's all you have to do. Now, as I say, this may or may not work depending on the motherboard that you have inside your Galaxy S7. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.